Locking your Transunion credit report is an effective way to prevent unauthorized access to your credit information, similar to a credit freeze. Here's how to lock your Transunion credit report. Visit Transunion's website. Start by visiting the official Transunion website to ensure security and reliability. Navigate to Credit Lock section. Look for the option to lock your credit report. It may be labeled as Credit Lock or Lock Your Credit. Provide personal information. Fill out a form with accurate personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Choose Lock option. Select the option to lock your credit. Transunion may offer different lock options, such as temporary or permanent locks. Set PIN. Create a unique PIN that you will use to manage your credit lock. Keep this PIN secure and confidential. Verify identity. Transunion may require additional steps to verify your identity, such as answering security questions or confirming information from your credit report. Confirm lock request. Review the details and confirm your request to lock your credit. Receive confirmation. Once confirmed, Transunion will lock your credit report, preventing unauthorized access.